Carl here from Studio In Car. I'm going to open the new Blaupunkt Bremen SQR 46 DAB. To most, it'll be an ugly deck. It's not. For our old school boys, older sort of BM, Audi, Mercedes, Porsche sort of systems, they'll love this and they've been waiting for it to come out. It's badged as a high-end tuner, 2x USB, twin-link Bluetooth, so you can get 2 phones on it and stuff. DAB, SD card slot, stuff like that. So all that sort of newer age functionality in a real old platform, and we love that sort of digital heart analog body vibe that they have. So let's have a look. I've not opened this, so I don't know what it comes with. It comes with a DAB aerial. It's rare to find with a head unit these days. Take note. Basic unit, it's quite small because it's mechless, there's got no CD drive or anything like that, so it doesn't need to be massive. Big old book, probably in many languages. Remote control, that'll go in a cubby hole somewhere and never get used. Unless it has some form of feature that you need to access via the remote control. Okay, so separate ISO, power, speakers and stuff. A lot of these units find themselves in motorhomes and stuff like that, so I imagine they'd rather than go for a male to female ISO as the hardwire option. So off you go there. Mic. It's a pretty cool looking mic actually. I'll show you that, because most mics look like a conventional microphone but small and they hang down from places and stuff, whereas this kind of looks like that. So that coming out of a trim panel is not going to look too, or even if you butted it against the trim panel, it's not going to look too rubbish. The unit itself, okay, like I said earlier, it's going to look extremely ordinary to most, but that's exactly what we want. I'm taking care of this unit because this unit belongs to my friend Cos, and all of our stock has gone already, but we'll be getting more in early next week. And there she is. Colours can change depending on the dash, old VW green, amber for BMW, things like that. Massively ordinary, and I love it, absolutely love it. I believe this slot, which replicates the original SQR, the 46 units tape deck, is where our new USB, we should have USB on the back also. Oh yeah, USB on a variety there, mics, steering connection, so steering control from the car, DAB aerial input, preouts, mono sub output, which is nice to see. Yeah, USB in, SD card in, and a mic, a 3.5mm jack AUX input on the front. A wicked piece of kit. It's great when brands come out with something like this that to the masses seem like they're just going to be a flop, but to those niches they're absolutely what people have been asking for a while now. So yeah, give us a shout, studioincar.com, or on Instagram, or even on YouTube, or wherever you see this video, because we can sort you out one of these, we can install them. And I imagine there's many of our customers now that have their own sort of older units, like say the Macintoshes and stuff of this world, that don't give us, I mean, don't get me wrong, I love them units, but they don't give us the functionality that we need in terms of Bluetooth, keeping things safe while you're driving, whilst retaining that look inside the car. I imagine a few of them might get in touch and change out to one of these. Can't rate it sound wise because I haven't had one in a car yet. It's a Blaupunkt unit, so it's not going to be a bad unit, and it's badged as a high-end unit, so they put some gubbins in here to make it sound quite special, I'd imagine. But yeah, anyway, get in touch, let us know what you think. The Bremen SQR 46 DAB, brand new age for old cars, or new cars.
just